In this video, I'm going to make this sign. I started with raw wood. I gave it one coat of dark and decrepit liquid patina. It's a stain and a sealer. All natural ingredients, so there's no VOCs. It's safe for everybody. It washes up with soap and water. When whitewashing, it's best to use wood that doesn't have a shiny finish on it. It gives it that old, weathered, rustic look you can't achieve with a high sheen or glossy finish. Once that's dry, I'm going to use tarnished pearl, which is made by DIY. They have 44 glorious colors to choose from. The key to whitewash is water. So I'll dip my brush into the tarnished pearl, mist a little bit, paint a little bit. Once you've gotten a small section of your board whitewashed, you'll take some lint-free cloths. You can use shop towels or you can use a t-shirt, but make sure it's lint-free. Wipe back all the excess to leave just the amount of whitewash you want remaining on your board. Once the area that you want whitewashed is complete, let that dry completely. I suggest at least 3 to 4 hours, depending upon your climate. Then it's on to the big top. Big top works great before applying the transfers. Once again, you apply that with a foam brush or a lint-free cloth. Once that's dried completely, it's time to apply the transfer. Once you have your transfer in place, it's time to rub and rub and rub. You're going to be rubbing for a long time.
Say with the kids of the indigo, like oh, whoa. Live for these moments like a perfect wave. Don't let the tide wash away these diamond days. No, oh, we're always dreaming. Endless summer rush, like dancing in the deep end. Let's just soak it up. Come on, come on.
Once you have your transfer on, you'll go back and you'll burnish it with your fingers. That just means to rub firmly. You want to make sure all your edges are down. You just want a good transfer.
With reckless abandon, live it till it's gone. Let's dive in.
Once you have your transfer on and burnished, it's time for a top coat. Here you can use your big top sealer again, or you can use wax, whatever you prefer. But you do want to protect your transfer. You can find all these products on my website at thenoblewillow.com. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. See you next time.